When installing a French drain system, you want to have men in the trench on a laser level, making sure that you get that bottom. You want that bottom perfect. If you leave an area that's 2 inches high, after all this hard work, you just cheated yourself out of removing some of the saturation of the subsoil by a couple of inches. So we'll have somebody in the trench on the laser level, communicating with the operator, letting him know where he's at, and then if it's just an area that needs to be taken down a little, he'll take a shovel, he'll remove that soil, just so that the water will flow without interruption and without a damming effect where you have water backing up in the bottom of the trench. French Drain Man. We simply build a better drain.